How to favorite or unfavorite a song or a track in Samsung Music. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the music app. Then open up the music player. And in the music player, you can open up your music queue and then select a song that you want to favorite. Or you can simply, from your Samsung Music homepage, you can open up a track. So if we go to tracks and then open up a track. So let's open up this one right here. And then in here, while it is playing, you can tap on the favorite button and that will favorite a track. Once you add it to favorites, it will be available in your favorites tab at the top here. So tap on favorites and then tap on track. And in here, you will find all your favorite tracks. To unfavorite it, you can just simply open it and then tap on the favorite button to remove it from favorites. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.